Hi, Room to Grow teacher Christina here. I'm with some of the hand puppets that were sleeping in the basket. They miss you so much, and so do all of us teachers. You remember the Moody Cow book and the mine jars? There's a little mini story about that. Cranky, Clucky, what's going on? There must be a stairwell here. What's coming up the stairwell next? Oh, how are you feeling, Moody Cow? A little sad. Yeah, that person was cranky and they kind of took it out on you. Do you want to try the mine jar together? Okay, here it is. Let's watch it together. We'll take 5 deep breaths and watch the sparkle settle. Shake it up. Ready to breathe together? A little better after 3 breaths? Try some more. A little calmer? Me too. Would you like a hug? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Bye for now.